Why is there a hole in my hat?
Yes! Ski! What am I training her to do?
I'm Gizmo. Who are you?
I'm Emily.
Say my menu.
You are outside.
What's this made of? Glass. What's this made of?
Shut it. I got you. Yeah, we'll go pumpkin this weekend. I got you one.